The BMW Group Plant Steyr is the BMW Group's largest engine plant in the world. Over 1 million gasoline, diesel and hybrid engines are produced here every year. 80% of all core components for the BMW Group's drives are manufactured and all of the group's diesel engines are developed. This makes the Steyr plant one of the most important drive competence centers in the BMW Group's global production network.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.